Let's see you, baby.
It's the bird lady. Oh look, she's still going by.
Let's see bird lady. There's a crazy bird lady. Look, they're going crazy over here. Look at them. Infestation of them.
Look, she's still going. She's sitting down. She's still fuming. Still spouting away.
She crazy lady.
She's not as nice as the bird lady on Home Alone, is she?
No, she's horrid.
Definitely not.
Do you like the birdies?
Go away.
Do you like the birdies?
No.
No. There's enough of them, isn't there?
I kick them.
No kicking them.
No.
You can walk through them.
Look how much rice they've eaten up, Lucy. Have they left any at all? I think that must be the only bit where there's any left.
I think she's over there, but he's a fucking heart attack. Stressing the fuck out.
Shaking her head in that.
Zoom in. She's hiding behind the bin, look.
Because she can't just get a video.
Aye, hiding behind the bin. Hey Lucy, see the wifey hiding in the bin?
Look, the lady's not wanting Daddy to video her. She's hiding behind the bin. Can you see her?
What then?
That bin
Look,
over there,
over
she's
there
hiding.
at the bench. Imagine putting your head in the bin just in the...